What do you think?
It needs to be replaced.
It does?
Yeah. So I undid it, and the reason it's pulling so much and creating the gap is because there's that old white rigid flex line. Can't pull it enough to get it all the way in, but regardless of getting it in more, there's a bunch of hairline cracks on this thing.
Here's our office. Now I'll show y'all where all the waste goes. Yay! Down into this basin here. This one's a lot shallower than the other one. Some of them are like 15 foot. But we got a leak down in there. Steady leak, which is going to overwork the pump. So we are trying to do what we can right now. Danielle's in the water, as you've seen. So wish us luck.